So I just got a few things in for the next year of our homeschooling. This is actually our 3rd year homeschooling and we are so excited. So I wanted to show you what I got. I do have a few more things that are going to be coming in over the next few weeks, but I wanted to show you what I already have, and then as things come in, I'll just continue to show you. So let's get into this video. Okay, so the first thing that I got is a set of 12 of these. These are the 1-inch binders. So one thing that I'm going to do, I'm actually going to film another video on this, but I do have like a system that I've put in place for our next year of homeschooling. We actually start our next year of homeschooling in June, like the first week of June. So what I'm going to be doing is kind of theming out every month. I'll talk about that in a later video, but I'm going to be doing that. So this is going to be great for that. I obviously have curriculum that I'm going to be using, so I'll put Paola's different what's the word, like her different lessons that she's going to be doing in here, along with different supplemental things that are going along with every month. For example, June is going to be our under the sea month, so definitely things about the beach, marine life, and different things like that. The next thing that I got might be excessive to some, but I do go through these very quickly. This is a 36 count of washable glue sticks. This is going to be something that we will definitely use throughout the entire year for crafts, for different projects, for different things that we're doing that go along with the month that we're in, and things like that. So this again is a count of 36. We are almost done with the other count of 36 that we used for this past year. Also, if you hear my girls screaming, they're playing around, you know what it is. But so this so I had another 36 count, and I think we have like 1 or 2 left of those, so you definitely do go through these. Okay, the next thing that I got, these we don't use as much as the glue sticks, but I did get 2 bottles of like regular Elmer's school glue. We do use these, again, not as much as the glue sticks because these are a little bit messier, and honestly the glue sticks do a pretty good job at, you know, doing what we needed to do for the project that we're doing. So again, only got 2 of these. The next thing that we got are these Ticonderoga pencils. This year, one of my focuses is definitely going to be the practice of handwriting. I think it's a really important, and honestly, it's almost turning into like a lost skill. So I wanted to make sure that my girls had pencils that they could use, that were comfortable, that didn't snap or anything like that. Honestly, like, it's a pencil, but you know, there are preferences with our writing utensils. So my husband actually really likes the Ticonderoga, so whenever we are out like shopping for like pencils or anything like that, he always reminds me, he's like, hey, remember, these are the really good ones. So we picked these up, and I got 2 packs because pencils always get lost. The next thing that I got is this 24 count of colored pencils. Again, we go through these pretty quickly. I like for the girls to have different options to use. So I do have some markers that are going to be coming in. I have some crayons that I'm going to be showing you. And I also have these. So, and Crayola's just the best. So we got these. The next thing that I got might seem excessive to most, and it is this 152 count of crayons. If you have kids that are younger in age, you understand that you go through crayons very quickly. So that is why I got this one. Hopefully we will not go through these as quickly as we have others in the past, but I really like this one because it honestly has every single color that you need. It has metallic ones, it has regular ones, it has glitter ones, so that's super fun. And it also comes in like a little caddy, which I kind of like better than just emptying out the like carton into like a pencil box. I feel like this is more like, it's better for them to just grab it and go than it like rolling around in their pencil box. Again, these are like personal preferences. Like, we're not doing brain surgery here, you know, it's crayons. I'm fully aware, but if I can make things more, you know, if I can make things better and more, I don't know what the word is, but you guys understand what I'm saying. The next thing that I got is actually not for her 2nd grade year, but it's actually for next month. Well, actually no, because it's already February 2nd. So this is actually for this month. We like to do projects for different months of the year, and this one is the one that we have for this month. It's a Lego set. It's just 2 roses, and after we're done building this, we're going to put it in a little vase and put it in my daughter's room. And I just found this so cute. It's the month of love and it's roses. It's something small. It doesn't have too many pieces, which is good. So we should be able to build this pretty quick. It only has 120 pieces, so this is gonna be great as like a little craft or like an activity. You guys know what I mean. The next thing that I got are these 2 packs of ruled paper. Again, I want Paola to really practice her handwriting this year, so I got this so we can put it inside of her binder. Next up are these sight word flashcards. So on one side there's a sight word, and then on the other side it's a sentence that uses said sight word. So I thought that this would be really helpful for my daughter. She's been really working hard on her reading and she's been doing such a fantastic job at it. So I thought this would be a good supplement to the curriculum that we're already using. And I'll talk about more like curriculum centered things in another video, but we did get these, and I looked at a few of them and this one was my favorite one that I found. So I thought that this would be great. The next thing that I got is actually something that is going to be really helpful. I usually use push pins for like posters and different things on the wall, but I hate the little holes that it leaves everywhere. So this year we decided to go with wall safe tape. This is just like wall safe, let me see, it's the poster tape from Scotch, and honestly it's just simple, it's removable, it doesn't mess with the paint on the wall or anything like that. So I thought that this would be good. I got 2 because I did get a good amount of posters and I just wanted to be safe with like the amount that I had. The next thing that I got is this composition book, but it's one of the composition books that has like, I don't know if you can see it there, maybe the glare is like too much, there you go. So here it just has like an area where you can like draw or color, and then a space on the bottom where your child can write. Again, I really want to stress the importance of handwriting this year, so I thought that this would be very helpful. Maybe on her off time she can do like a little story. She loves to create stories already, so I thought incorporating a little bit more handwriting to those stories would be really great for her. Now this might seem a little excessive because again, so handwriting, I feel over the last few years has kind of been lost on a lot of kids. I feel like they don't, I don't know if it's that they don't care as much about handwriting, or that like us as a society, we've just been so like tuned into being on the computer and typing and all this stuff that kids aren't really writing anymore. So I really wanted to stress the importance of it this year, like I just said. So I did get a few things like specifically like for handwriting. So this one, it's actually a Building Writers Handwriting Without Tears. I got level C. Yeah, I got level C and level B. So this is just a really good workbook. It kind of like gives you writing prompts and different things like that for your child to kind of like practice through. And I thought it was really special, and each of these books that I'm going to show you are different, but these, I just thought that they would be super helpful, and again, a supplement to what we're already doing. So this next one I really like. This is a daily handwriting practice of traditional manuscript. This is a 36-week workbook, but what I really like about this is that if I want to do it for a shorter amount of time or a longer amount of time, I can do that. But it has, again, different writing prompts, so this is going to be great for my daughter. And then this one is also another writing prompt journal for grades 1st through 2nd. My daughter's going to be starting 2nd grade in June, and this one's a very basic one. Again, it's just writing prompts, so this will be very helpful as well. I got 2 doodle pads. My kids are always drawing. This is going to be very helpful for them. And also, if they have a doodle pad, I don't have papers like just floating around my apartment, so I really like that too. And then construction paper for all the projects we are going to be doing. And then the very last thing that I got, which I have a few of these coming in, but I have posters. So this one's like numbers, and I think it has letters in this one too. And then this one is, it's upside down. And then this one is a map of the United States. I want my girls to be as well-rounded as possible and to really know all of their subjects. So I hope that you guys all enjoyed this. I enjoyed showing it to you, and if you want to see more content like this, then be sure to stick around. Thank you and have a wonderful day.